morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Sunday, August 9th in Laredo, Texas. We're gonna go drive up and get a little cup of joe at our local Starbucks. And then we're gonna go and fly a little FPV drone, the NEO2. Nothing too exciting. Just gonna go clear our mind, get ready for a blessed day and our team, and then we're gonna go attend our daily mass. Okay, guys, so we got our cup of joe. Like I said, we're gonna do a little FPV flying here at the local park in Laredo, Texas. I wanted to get you guys through how we get authorization to fly first. So I used the app called Autopilot. And we're gonna put our location here. The correct place. Here we are. Altitude, and we're gonna say we're gonna go up to 250 feet. It says fly with approval. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we'll hit submit. Mission authorized. Nice and simple. So we'll do our pre-flight procedures and then we'll be back. Okay, guys, our pre-flight procedures are ready. We get our little antennas up and we're gonna go ahead and go up for a fly. So let's start the engines here. We are recording. And let's take off. And we're off. Okay. Take a quick little fly up. We'll kind of get some height here just so that you guys can see where we're flying. This is North Central Park in Laredo, Texas. A lot of people out here come for the morning and do their morning run, morning walk, maybe a little bike ride. I like to come out here and do a little morning flight. Look what we got going on down here. Some people are getting ready to do something. Not quite sure what it is. Height here just because we're going red on the goggles. guys can see, it's a very nice day. There is no wind. The sun's barely coming up. I think we probably had sunrise maybe like at 7. I think it's like 7:30 in the morning right now. So we probably missed the sunrise maybe about 30 minutes. This is our local Gold's Gym, guys. You guys can see that's Doctor's Hospital. The U.S. flag. We'll do a little flyby by the U.S. flag. No wind. United Day School. So over here is our food trucks. People come get their morning coffee up here. Gonna bother those runners. I don't want to hit those transformers. Let's go back over and see what we had going on over there. The park. watching us. Come around Tacotote. Tacotote United Day School there. Ooh, birds don't like us.